You don't need 20 bottles under your sink. You never did. Some of the cleanest homes in the world don't use chemicals. No labels, no warnings. Just vinegar, baking soda, hot water, and habits passed down quietly. The Amish don't clean harder, they clean smarter. Fast, simple, intentional. Stay with me, because in the next few minutes, you'll see how a home can sparkle without noise, without toxins, and without wasting your time. This is Rustic Pantry. 1. Vinegar and water, the Amish default. Walk into an Amish kitchen early in the morning. No noise, no sprays lined up under the sink. Just a simple bottle, vinegar and water. That is it. This mixture is not treated like a hack, it is treated like a rule. Wipe the table? Done. Clean the counter? Finished. The mild acid goes to work immediately, breaking grease before it settles, before it becomes a problem. No waiting, no heavy scrubbing. Just wipe and move on. Sometimes the smell is sharp, brief. It fades fast. What stays is the shine. The Amish don't overthink cleaning. They clean while living. Vinegar allows that. Fast, direct, effective. 2. Baking soda. Quiet power in a white powder. Baking soda does not look impressive. That's the trick. In Amish homes, it waits quietly in small jars, always ready. Sprinkle it in the sink. Rub it into a stained pan. Let it sit. Just a minute. Dirt loosens. Grime gives up. No scratches, no damage. It works slow, but sure. Sometimes mixed with water, sometimes used dry. Depends on the mess. The Amish believes force is wasted energy. Baking soda proves them right. Gentle cleaning, strong results. And yes, it even handles smells. Old ones, the stubborn kind. 3. Lemon, not for decoration. Lemons are not there to look pretty, they are there to work. Amish hands cut them in half and go straight to the job. Cutting boards, faucets, knife handles. A quick rub, a short pause. Lipe. Shine appears. The smell feels clean, not loud, not fake.
Real. There's a rhythm to it. Clean. Move on. No polishing rituals. Lemon juice lifts grease faster than people expect. The Amish know this already. They learned it by doing, not reading labels. 4. Soap and hot water. Still winning. Some methods never lose. Soap and hot water is one of them. Amish households rely on it daily, not weekly, daily. Dishes washed immediately, surfaces wiped while still warm. Dirt never gets comfortable. That is the key. Hot water softens everything. Soap finishes the job. No buildup, no stress. The house stays clean because messes don't get time to grow. It's boring advice, but boring works. Always has. 5. Dry first. Always dry first. Before water touches anything, the Amish remove dust. Dry cloths, brooms, simple strokes, fast movements. This step saves more time than any product ever could. Wet dirt turns messy. Dry dirt disappears. That logic guides everything. Old cotton rags are reused until they fall apart. No waste, no rushing, just smart order. Dust gone, then cleaning feels easy. Almost too easy. 6. Open the windows. Let the house breathe. There is a moment when windows open and the house changes. Air moves. Smells leave. Moisture disappears. The Amish trust fresh air more than any scent. Cooking odors, cleaning smells, even musty corners. Gone. Fresh air does not argue. It replaces. It refreshes. Sometimes only 10 minutes is enough. That's all. The house feels lighter. People feel better. Cleaning becomes shorter when the air helps you. 7. Vinegar soaks. Let time do the work. Hard water stains look stubborn.
They are not. The Amish wrap a vinegar-soaked cloth around faucets and walk away. No scrubbing battle, no frustration. Time handles it. After a while, the cloth comes off. Wipe once. Shine returns. Kettles, shower heads, pots, same story. Cleaning doesn't always require action. Sometimes it requires patience. This is one of those times.
Clean doesn't have to mean complicated, and it definitely doesn't mean chemical heavy. Sometimes the old ways work better. They last longer. They make sense. A cloth, a window opened, a habit repeated daily.
That's how homes stayed clean long before plastic bottles existed. If this helped you slow down and clean smarter, you're in the right place. Subscribe to Rustic Pantry, where simple living still works and always will.